Hello. Welcome to part 3 of the drum notation video. In this video, we'll focus on drum notation practice for the cymbals, crash cymbal, and ride cymbal. First, the crash cymbal. The crash cymbal is notated floating above the fifth line of the staff. It has a short horizontal line called the ledger line. Now, let's try the crash cymbal notation. We are going to repeat this exercise for 4 times. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, next, the ride cymbal. The ride cymbal is notated right on the fifth line of the staff. Remember, right on the fifth line. Let's practice the ride cymbal. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Great! Now, let's try these 2 cymbals exercises. Crash cymbal and ride cymbal. Be sure to read the notes carefully. Exercise 1. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Exercise 2. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Exercise 3. Read carefully. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Exercise 4. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Well done! You have reached the end of the video. Thank you, and check out drum notation part 1 and part 2 if you haven't.